Hi, welcome to Lumise Tutorials add-on bundle series. This is Tommy, and today we are continuing to discover the next feature in this add-on. Introducing Display Properties, the feature that allows you to assign a specific design component to each product, categories, or tag. So with that, let's go ahead in the add-on settings and then activate. You will find the Display Properties folder on the left-hand side that includes On Display Properties and Add New Property. Let's go through one by one together. First, On Display Properties is where you can manage all of your created properties, from activate or deactivate, to edit or delete. You can do it all over here. Secondly, Add New Properties is a place you can create a unique display property, and there are 5 elements over here: name, product list, categories, tags, and display rule. To begin, you will need to fill in the name of the properties. Then you have the option to assign a specific product from the product list, or own products in the categories. Another option like products that follow a particular tags to apply a display rule. Keep in mind that the display properties only applies to one of these assigned options at a time. It means, if you want to use a display rule with a specific product, then don't fill in the categories and tag. Otherwise, a system conflict will have occurred. A display rule is a place where you can decide what component you want to display in the editor. After you finish, hit on Active the rule, and then save it. Remember that you can always go back and change the setting if you want to. Now I'm going to check in the editor. As you see, there are only 2 elements in the editors for the t-shirt product, matched with the display properties that we set earlier. Now it's your turn to apply the display properties to any of your product. Be sure to explore our series of add-on bundles, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next videos.